In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a subtask Jira. If you need to remove a subtask from Jira, the process is fairly simple, but it's important to be careful because deleting a subtask is usually permanent. That means once it's gone, you may not be able to recover the work details unless your team has a backup or audit process in place. So before you confirm the deletion, make sure you're removing the correct item. To begin, open Jira and go to the board or project view where your issue is located. From there, select the main task that contains the subtask you want to delete. This is important because subtasks are nested under a parent issue, so you'll need to open the parent task first in order to access the subtask properly. Once the main task is open, look through its subtasks and click on the specific subtask you want to remove. Take a quick moment here to confirm that you've opened the right one, especially if several subtasks have similar names. A quick review now can help prevent deleting the wrong item by mistake. After opening the subtask, go to the top area of the issue panel and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional actions for that issue, including edit, move, and delete options. If your Jira layout looks slightly different, the three dots may still be in the issue header or near the top right corner. From the menu, click delete. As soon as you do that, Jira will usually show a confirmation prompt. This extra confirmation step is there to make sure the deletion is intentional, since this action removes the subtask from the project. In the confirmation box, type delete exactly as requested. This is a common safety measure in Jira and other tools because it helps avoid accidental removals. Make sure you type the word correctly so the final button becomes available. Once that's done, click delete again to confirm. Jira will then remove the subtask from the parent task and from your board or issue view. And that's it. That's how you delete a subtask in Jira. Just remember to double check the parent task and the selected subtask before confirming, since deleted items can be difficult to restore. If you're following along in your own workspace, move slowly through each screen so you can be sure you're deleting exactly the right subtask.